The 360 rotatable wall mop is designed with a 78-inch handle that can be adjusted to suit various cleaning needs, making it ideal for reaching high ceilings and awkward corners. This mop comes with 5 replaceable microfiber heads, which are both durable and highly absorbent, ensuring a long-lasting cleaning tool that efficiently tackles dust and grime. Featuring a fully rotatable head, the mop can easily navigate tight spaces and corners, making it versatile for cleaning floors, walls, and even the undersides of furniture. Constructed from high-quality materials like stainless steel and coral fleece, the mop is built to last without compromising on its lightweight design. The mop is suitable for both wet and dry cleaning, effectively capturing dust and lint while also being easy to clean post-use, either by hand or machine. Installation is straightforward with its screw head design, allowing for quick assembly and disassembly, making it a convenient tool for any household cleaning task.